Are mites, lice, and other pests making your chickens uncomfortable? In this video, you'll learn time-tested natural remedies that keep backyard chickens healthy and pest-free without harsh chemicals. Grab a notepad. There are tips here for every flock. Mites and lice are common external parasites. They thrive in warm, cramped areas and feed on blood or skin debris. Left untreated, they reduce egg production and stress your flock. The good news is you can control them naturally by combining dust baths, herbal blends, coop management, and dietary boosters. Step 1 is to give your hens a proper dust bath. Chickens instinctively bathe in dust to suffocate pests and keep feathers healthy. Dig a shallow pit or provide a low wooden box filled with dry soil. Place it in a sunny but sheltered corner your hens already use and keep it dry. Refresh the bath regularly so it stays loose and effective. You can boost the power of a dust bath by mixing in natural ingredients. Garden lime, wood ash, and food-grade diatomaceous earth are all proven helpers. Mix about 1 part additive to 3 parts soil. This simple blend smothers mites and lice safely and helps your birds stay healthy. Garden lime, also called agricultural lime, is inexpensive and available at most farm or garden stores. Sprinkle it into the dust bath or lightly around the coop floor. If you have wood ash from untreated firewood, that works too. Both are time-tested ways to control external parasites naturally. Just be sure you're using agricultural lime, not quicklime, which can be caustic. Food-grade diatomaceous earth is another natural helper. Its microscopic edges damage the exoskeleton of mites and lice, but are safe for chickens when used sparingly. Add a handful to dust baths or sprinkle lightly in nest boxes and along roosts. Always handle it gently and avoid creating clouds of dust. Herbs can also play a big role. Herbs like neem, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and lavender naturally repel insects. Steep these herbs in hot water, let it cool, then pour into a spray bottle. Mist roosts, nest boxes, and cracks every week. You can also line nest boxes with dried mint, chamomile, or lavender to discourage pests. These smell pleasant and make the coop more inviting for your hens. Internal health affects external health. Adding 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar per gallon of drinking water once or twice a week supports digestion and immunity, which helps your birds resist parasites naturally. Always provide clean water as well, and stop if you notice birds avoiding the vinegar water. Garlic and oregano are natural anti-parasite and antimicrobial herbs. Mix a little minced garlic or oregano powder into your chicken's feed a few times per week. Healthier birds are less attractive to pests. Start small and see how your flock responds. Fine builder's sand combined with a small amount of crushed hardwood charcoal makes an excellent dust medium. Charcoal absorbs toxins and odors. Sand keeps the mixture dry and loose. Mix and place in a shallow box and refresh it monthly or when dirty. Even natural remedies need good housekeeping. Clean droppings boards weekly, change bedding regularly, and if possible, rotate your flock between runs. Reducing hiding spots for mites is half the battle. Remove old straw and compost it away from the coop at high temperature to kill mites. Mites often hide in cracks of wood or under roosts. After cleaning, apply a thin, dried dusting of diatomaceous earth, ash, or fine lime into the seams and crevices, or mist with your herbal spray. Seal deep cracks with caulk or replace worn wood where mites hide. If you cut off their daytime hideouts, you cut off the infestation. Chicks and broody hens are especially vulnerable. Provide mini dust baths with gentle ingredients like sand and ash. Add small bricks or stones in waters to prevent drowning and refresh bedding more often. Place a small dusting tray just outside a broody hen's nest so she can treat herself without stress. Look for brighter combs, normal egg production, and reduced scratching. Check feathers near the vent for crawling pests. With consistent natural care, infestations fade and your flock thrives. Improvement usually takes a couple of weeks of consistent care. If you still see active mites, step up cleaning or seek veterinary guidance. Quick recap. Maintain dust baths weekly. Add lime, ash, or diatomaceous earth as needed. Spray roosts and nest boxes with herbal infusions. Boost water with apple cider vinegar weekly. Keep the coop clean and dry. Do this regularly and pests won't stand a chance. Natural care means healthier birds, better eggs, and less stress for you. If this video helped you, tap the like button, share it with fellow chicken keepers, and subscribe for more simple backyard poultry tips.